Okay, I just set up stand for measure 1 flutter on this deck. Let's see what we will get here. I've been told that this deck has been sitting like 20 years in the storage. Okay, it's playing. Let's see. Okay, speed is too low. It's 3070 when it should be 3150. Let's see. Wow, and flutter. Let's switch to the lower scale. Okay. It's fine, but it jumps from time to time. Probably just been sitting for too long without movement. Let's run it a little bit. First of all, let me adjust the speed. So let me do that. So like that, using screwdriver just in the motor, increasing speed. Okay. 3152, 3151. Okay, fine, let's see. Okay, it goes smoothly, but then there is jump, smoothly and jump. Okay, I would let it run for a while to get motors like a little bit of run. Now, let's see frequency response, how it will, and phase at the same time. Like, let's see how it will reproduce our tape from the other Nakamichis. So it would be interesting, like type 1, no Dolby. Would be interesting to see how capable this deck is with the default factory settings. You see, a little bit it will be DR1. We just need adjustment here. And another piece is missing from DR1 is the output level. I pretty much like it. An azimuth adjustment here. Let's switch for now the levels, and let's adjust our levels. Let's go to the level source here, and we need to turn on frequency 400 Hz. Okay, it's a little bit too much. Getting it. Like that. Okay, so it shows +1 and it shows here -3. Let's do a little bit less. Okay, so 0 here, -3 here. Levels set. Now let's measure the back levels. So this is 250 Hz. And frankly speaking, it should be -11, -10. Okay? Yeah. If we will go from here to here, it's -12 for 250. I can believe it because it has older capacitors, so lower frequencies may be a little bit different. And it's 250 on the spectrum. You can see it, 250. Let's scroll to the 400. At this point it should be equal. Okay, it's 400 now. And I would say level stays the same. Okay. But you see, it's been recorded on the other Nakamichi tape. And I see just difference on both levels, 2 decibel. Let's go on the high frequencies. Okay, and level is the same. That's cool. And it's 1 kilohertz now. And let's check the azimuth on 1 kilohertz. It's a little bit different. So let me show you here. You see? It's different azimuth, so it's 3 kilohertz now, I believe. Go to spectrum, yeah, 3 kilohertz. And this also azimuth is a little bit different. We can adjust it, no problem. Just right here. And if owner will like to adjust it. Okay, it was 1 click. 2 clicks, 3 much, going back. Okay, this is the closest position. 1 click on the gear. Three kilohertz oscilloscope. Looks nice. The levels are good on 3 kilohertz. No change. Okay, 1 decibel difference. Azimuth is good. And it's 6.3 kilohertz. Keeps azimuth. Let's scroll to 8 or 10. Okay, level get back, and this is 8 kilohertz. Good. Let's scroll further. And it's 10 kilohertz now. And it keeps level pretty good. Okay, scrolling further. See, we did half of my tape already. That is consistency between all Nakamichi decks. If you record on one, you will reproduce exactly the same as the other one. And it keeps levels. And it's currently 15 kilohertz. You see? 15 and level stays the same. Pretty nice. And let's go further to the higher frequency. And it keeps level. It's still 15 kilohertz. It's Lisa 15 kilohertz. Signal. Nice. Let's scroll a little bit more. Okay, it's 18 kilohertz now, and it keeps the level. I like it. And it keeps azimuth. Perfect consistency. Okay, and let's go to 20. It should be 5 decibel lower. Yes, and it keeps 20 kilohertz level on type 1 tape on minus 15 decibels, and it keeps azimuth. A little bit less stable, but it's 20 kilohertz. We can afford it, and it's 20 kilohertz, as you see. Very nice deck, very nice frequency response. Now let's measure how it records. Let's use normal tape. And let's check levels first. So it's source, 400 Hz, minus 20 decibel. Okay, starting recording. Left channel, half decibel lower. It's easy to adjust. Oops. A little bit on right channel. Done. Source, tape, source, tape. 400 Hz good. 1 kilohertz. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I believe bias a little bit off. So 15 kilohertz. I need to adjust bias a little bit. But it keeps pretty well after all those years. It's been sitting and doing nothing. Okay, source, tape, 15 kilohertz. Perfect. Now, wide spectrum is 0 decibel. You see? It's dropped just a couple decibels, so it's a source. And this is tape. It drops like 3-4 decibel on 0 decibel. Wow. It's minus 6. And it's almost flat. Minus 10. Minus 20. Okay. It looks very nice. Let's get here. Yeah, 15 kilohertz equal. 400 Hz equal. You see? Frequency response. Let's do source. Okay, now when we have source chart, we would be able to compare with recording. Switching to the tape. It's still running. It's tape, as you can see here. And that's what we're getting. A little bit drop around 80 Hz, around 100, 200. Exactly the same as my DR-2. And it's pretty flat response up to 18 kHz. So it's capable to record 20 kHz on Type 1 tape. Type 2. Okay, looks like Type 2 bias needs to be set because it's dropping too early. So let's go 400 Hz, okay, and 15 kHz is too low. Let's adjust it. Left channel and right channel. Done. Now let's do another sweep. You see it's already normalized. You see it's flattened up. And let's go straight to 20 kHz. Perfect results. And now do Type 4. Switching to Type 4. Let's do bias first. I'm afraid it will be the same. Okay. It's a little bit level. Okay, it's level on 400 Hz. Let's see bias on 15 kHz. Oh. Let's add a little bit on left channel, reduce a little bit on the right channel, like that. Done. Now we can do frequency sweep for the metal tape. Again, 20 kilogears. Perfect results. Let's check one more time. Wow, and flutter. It's been a while deck was running. It's almost there. You see it drops to 0.08. Even lower. I don't like how it jumps. Okay, I got a new device today, so we can use it and see if springs are still good in this deck after all these years. Let me add 2 hands for that. Woohoo! Just arrived. Tangent gauge. So let's see how our spring perform on this deck after all those years. I believe I need to open a little bit, so let me prepare and see you in the next part.